Jaguar E-Type Review. The Jaguar E-Type is a British sports car made from 1961 to 1974. Known for its long hood and smooth curves, it was once called the most beautiful car ever made. It had advanced tech for its time, including independent suspension, disc brakes, and rack and pinion steering. The E-Type used a strong monocoque body, which made it both light and stylish. Early models came with a 3.8-liter inline-six engine. This made about 265 horsepower and hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 7 seconds. Top speed was near 150 miles per hour. Later models upgraded to a 4.2-liter inline-six. The final version, called Series 3, had a 5.3-liter V12 engine. That made it smoother and more powerful. In today's U.S. market, Jaguar E-Type prices range from $50,000 to over $375,000, depending on the year, condition, and trim. Fully restored or rare early series Le Mans One models in top condition can go for $260,000 to more than $1.2 million. Jaguar even offers E-Type Reborn factory restorations. These bring old models back to life with modern precision. Inside, the E-Type had classic toggle switches, leather seats, and polished trim. It looked as good inside as out. Most came with manual gearboxes, and the later models added more comfort options. Jaguar still supports owners with official parts and services. That keeps the E-Type alive and loved.